Take command of the road in the 2015 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features a standard transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 4-liter six-cylinder engine. Toyota prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a rear step bumper, front fog lights, a trailer hitch, and power windows. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.